Sit down, love.
You were sick. That's why you had that CBC. How can we know if it's bacterial or viral? Look up. Your eyeballs only. Ito to. Look. Look up. Your eyeballs lang. So what are you doing? Okay, spell Torotot.
Torotot.
Spell it.
Torotot.
You're just pronouncing it.
Torotot.
That's how you spell it?
Yeah. Torotot.
Tolotot?
Yes. Torotot.
Oh, the cute two kids. Is it a heart?
Yes. We made our own with our hands.
Isipon mo kami.